Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2013 Nissan Altima. Alright, the tool that you're going to be needing today to do this job is going to be a 10mm socket. There it is. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is do take note, when you put on the battery clamp, this extra little hook is going to latch right down there. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put in the battery. Make sure you have all the battery terminals out of the way, and then insert the battery. Alright, once you have the battery inserted, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook right down there. Alright, once you have it inserted, you're going to bring up the battery clamp and just insert it through this hole here. Alright, just like so. Then we're going to grab the nut and just screw it all the way down. We're going to screw this one over here now. Alright, we also have this screw that's going to go right in there. Just like so. Alright, now we're going to grab our 10mm socket and just tie this one down. And this one down. This one too. Perfect. Battery's nice and tight. It ain't going anywhere. Alright, next thing we're going to do is remove these battery protective covers that it has, as well as these other little covers it has. Alright, and we're going to insert our positive terminal first, just like so. And then we're going to insert our negative terminal, just like so. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and tie that down. Sometimes the back spins, so you're gonna have to hold it down. Slide that down. That way it locks into place. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is gonna tie up the positive. Alright, I lied. You're also gonna be needing a small wrench to get this positive side, because it's a pretty tight spot to get to. Alright, once you have the battery clamp tied down for the negative and the positive side and the battery clamp, you're good to go. Sweet, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. Alright, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.